Gold has given a gap up opening today and it has in fact moved towards 1856 levels. Now, many are attributing this to the geopolitical tensions, while we as a chartist are indicating this towards the reversal signs which you have seen. You must have seen my weekly review. I have told very clearly that this is a reversal sign and possibility for it to approach towards 20 period moving average exists. And in fact, it can try to move further with 1865 and 1880 levels at the next milestone. Now, what to expect today from gold? How we can profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you appreciate the effort, do press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment. Let's start. And yes, your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. What has happened on the hourly charts? Gold has remained in range here and it has given a breakout. Now you can look at 1830, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be a great support. Also, there is a gap between 1845 and 1835 levels. This is a big gap. If gold fails to fill it today, possibly we may see, or it will try to fill it sooner or later. But yes, as of now, it is a gap which is to be. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, look at this candle, swing candle, 1856 and 5 levels, and the all the four candles so far are engulfed and completely stationed between this zone. Thus, we have to wait for the prices to move above or below this in order to confirm a direction. Right now, I can see there is no direction. It is just consolidating before taking a move. Now look, moving averages crossed over here and sharply looking upward. This is a bullish sign for gold, and this has come after lot much of divergence, and hence it can continue. If you look at stochastic, this is near to overbought, but the MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bullish. It can try to climb up further. However, the divergence is extreme, so possibly couple of retracement candles can be expected. RSI overbought. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see the crossover here, and after a long, it is crossing over again here at bottom. Also remember, gold is stationed a while and now trying to look upwards here. Now, if you look at the charts carefully, one thing is very clear: 1845 levels are very good support, and it has to break below 1845 in order to confirm the further drop towards 1840 and 1835 levels. Yes, see, these levels were support earlier and are going to remain the support again. Already we have seen it breaking out of the resistance. Now these levels will become the support. So hence we have to watch out how gold behaves at 1840, 1835 levels. If it stays below 1845 level, chances of a reversal will be strong from those levels. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish looking upwards, RSI is also overbought here. Coming to 3 hour, again consolidation, double top is seen, higher lows are seen. So yes, it may try to consolidate a bit before taking a direction. Moving average is starting to look upwards, possibly it may continue its up move from here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, bullish, RSI again overbought. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. After staying bearishness here, it is now moving upwards. It is trying to converge. It is trying, see, too much of divergence amongst the moving average always calls for a conversion. This is what we have concluded in our daily analysis and weekly review as well, that possibility of a rise exists in gold. And now see, moving average is looking upwards right now. If you look at 50 period moving average sitting at 1840, giving it a very good support here. At the same time, the candles are outside Bollinger Bands. It will wait for the Bollinger Band to expand, and that is why we can see a bit of consolidation, and then it will continue the march towards 1865, 1880 levels are also possible here. If not today, possibly sometime very soon, but at least 1865 I expect that might get achieved. The stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, but here, see, this is a V-shaped recovery and this is a sharp rise. It has achieved the peak here. I will wait for the further rise if it continues from here. Else, a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied before looking forward to any up move. RSI is also rising vertically. Coming to the daily. Now, before I give you the further analysis on daily charts and give you the conclusion, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is now shifted to 16th of October. Yes, you can still reserve your seats. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, the week beginning candle was a doji indecision here. Again, today it has created higher lows and it is trying to keep itself afloat. Now see, 1840, 1855, 45 zone is a great support. Only bearishness is seen if you see gold staying below 1845, below which you can expect 1840, 1835 levels as the next major support. And any point of time, if you see it staying below 1830, that is the point where you can sell. Else I will expect it to bounce back. Even if it tries to achieve 1835, fills the gap, it may try to recover from here. As you can also note that on the daily charts, the divergence is too much, and hence prices must converge towards 20 period moving average at least, which is right now sitting at around 1865-70 zone, and this is very much achievable. See, too much of divergence always calls for a conversion. It can try to yield lower highs here, and hence beyond 1865 I will look forward to 1880-85 zone, and then more bullishness may prevail. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. The MACD was trading with a fat belly. It is trying to converge. It may cross over soon. It can try to rise from here. Waves are seen. Good waves are seen. It can try to retrace a bit. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. So now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 1855 levels and expect 1862 as the first target, 1865 as the next. Then beyond that, we may look forward to 1873 and 1880 levels. Yes, these are going to remain. Now 1880, 1885 are greatest resistance here, and beyond which 1900 is must. Remember, 1880, 1885 levels are going to remain great resistance for gold if it continues to move it's on the upside from today onwards. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 1845, but then be careful, be watchful of 1840, 1835 levels. And in fact, even if it achieves 1830, I will expect a possible bounce back from there. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, and join my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with more detailed updates on major global markets and commodities. Do watch other updates with, like silver, oil, gas, and indices including Nasdaq, Dow Jones today itself. Stay tuned. Press the bell icon. Thank you very much.